Right, thanks for joining me. Come to Wolseley Bridge Nature Reserve. So, just come for a little bit of a point and shoot really. See what's in the area. There's kingfishers normally in the area. They nest every year. And in the winter obviously there's no leaves on the branches so you can get a good view of them. So, also I've just brought the Z6ii with a 200 to 500 f5.6 lens. And we'll just have a little point and shoot, see what we can find, and yeah, I'll show you the footage and the photos as we go along. Thank you. So I've just come across a female goosander, so I've just tried to get some pictures and footage of her while she's on the pool, just diving around and doing what they do really. So there's various points of the bank where you can actually access the bottom of the bank, so you can get quite low down and get some nice shots really. So hopefully I've got some decent ones and I'll stick them on the screen for you now. Been trying to take a little bit of 120 frames per second video today, just to really play about and see what slow-mos we can get. So yeah, I'll stick some of those on the screen for you now and yeah, see how we've got on. So I've just had a little jenny wren in the leaf litter, flitting about along with a blackbird and a squirrel, so some nice little bits of footage there really. So I tried to get as low as I could, but it's difficult with these heavy lenses, isn't it? So yeah, I'll stick that footage on now and yeah, it should make for some nice video. So there's been no sign of the kingfisher today, but they are a hard bird to try and really, you know, see quite frequently. Normally it's just a flash in the pan kind of thing, and they just dart across and they're gone. So this is a good spot for them normally, but today is just not the day for it for whatever reason. And there's a lot of people about because it's a weekend and it's a popular place to bring kids and things like that. So it's quite a loud place to bring them. So typically the birds don't like that really. So yeah. So just walking about the nature reserve, and as you walk in, you see pretty much straight away a little robin there. You see straight away, and you can't miss it. All this here seems a little early to be honest, but they are always the first out, the snowdrops. But look, there's just absolutely loads of them. Absolutely loads of them. So yeah, it's lovely to see, and it's just another sign that spring's around the corner. Right, so that's it for me really. Just been a little short video, trying to get some the odd picture, see what we can see, and yeah, thanks for joining me. See you on the next one.